Mariel? Oh. What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So today, I am back. No, matagal-tagal akong hindi nakapag-upload ng video because I went out of town, no, last weekend, and may mga inasikaso pagbalik. So yeah, today we are going to react to ASAP Champions performance nila nung October 22 last Sunday. So this one's the most recent performance that they have. And meron po akong singaw or yung parang something sa dila. Kaya medyo baka bulol-bulol ako today. Anyway, so with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if bago kayo dito. And on my Facebook, David Lanyas, please follow me there. And on my IG, Real David_29. And also, maraming salamat sa mga kamigin for jamming and being there noong kami may event noong Lanzones Festival. So, kita-kits next year ulit sa Lanzones Festival. So, yeah, let's jump right into the video. I'm very excited actually to do videos today kasi I assume maraming mga pasabog dito. So, let's begin. Oh, Boyz II Men agad. Ooh. Oh, Sam. Wala si Kimo ngayon? Okay. Ooh, interesting run. Ooh. Grabe si JM, oh. Ito may key change ata to eh. Key change. Kinabahan ako dun ah. Okay. Okay, ito. Dahil sa performance na to, talagang it's a proof, no? At masasabi talaga natin na Boyz II Men is really a top tier boy band. Okay, hindi basta-basta. Like, sila yung magagaling sa mga magagaling. They're the best among the best. Okay? Yung Boyz II Men talaga, no? Isa talaga yan sa napakagaling na boy band. And we can see, okay, right through this performance na hindi naging madali sa kanila. Kahit kay Mr. Jed Madela, no, may naririnig tayong konting-konting strains doon, lalo na sa key change, no. Kinabahan nga ako doon kasi medyo yung pagpasok niya medyo flat ng konti, no? Pero na stretch naman niya at naabot naman niya. And halata naman, no, kahit kay JM at saka kay Sam, it was really challenging song. But they did their best, and that's the most important part, no? Kasi, ganun talaga, kapag singer tayo, hindi naman lahat ng kanta pwede natin kantahin. But, at least, we tried and at least, kinanta natin yung kanta kung paano talaga tayo kumanta. Like, our singing style, no? Hindi tayo nag-compromise sa ating style para lang gayahin yung isang grupo. And that's the good thing, no? May authenticity pa rin doon sa performance na ito. Ay, ads. Wait lang. May ads eh. Real time kasi to, guys. I record this real time talaga, no. Oh. Between. Oh. Buong buo yung low notes. My Fana. Pare sila ni Between. May mga pagka Shakira yung boses. Woo. Halata naman na parang nilalagyan ng texture ni Miss Sherin yung boses niya, no? Nice. May growl pa doon, no? Sa trio naman nito, halata naman no na medyo malayo kay Miss Sherin yung texture ni Between and ni Fana, which I said earlier na parang may pagka-Shakira silang dalawa dahil doon sa mga ganun-ganun na mga style, no, sa pagkanta, yung sa texture. Kaya sabi ko kanina, halata na nilalagyan ng texture ni Miss Sherin or different texture yung boses niya, especially sa mga vowel sounds or mga yung mga vowel sounds para to sound more of, you know, unison doon sa kay Between and kay Fana. I think she tried. Feeling ko Clarice to eh. Dahil sa buhok. The Goldilocks. Nice low notes. Nice. Oh, nice control. Lara. Mariel? Oh. Woo. Nice. Strong no vibrato ni Lara. Woo! Galing ni Nice harmony. Nice. Oy, ala. Nag-ano na naman, nag-ads na naman. So anyway, while waiting, doon sa performance na yon, doon sa performance na yon ni Lara, ni Clarice at saka ni Mariel. Okay. Bias aside, I think that yung song fits better with sa tone quality ni Mariel, which I really love, yung may puwersa pero very soft pa rin. And next would be Miss Clarice, no? Halata na magaling din si Miss Clarice doon sa kanta na. And then Lara. Obviously Lara, yung ano talaga niya, yung orientation niya sa pagkanta is more of theatrical, no? Yung parang nanonood ka ng play, especially pag naririnig mo yung palo ng kanyang vibrato, no? Talagang alam mo na her orientation is coming from a theatrical background, no? And so far, etong trio na to kay Mariel, Clarice and Lara, walang masyadong high notes, but it was clean. So I think that so far sila yung best trio dito sa segment na to. Ay. Oh, Jonalyn. Oh, but okay, by the way guys, maraming nagko-comment na kailangan Jonah daw tawag sa akin at Jonah na daw yung dapat itawag ko sa kanya, hindi na daw Jonalyn Viray kasi nag-rebrand na siya noong time na lumipat siya dito sa ABS-CBN. Pero I'm really sorry guys kasi I grew up watching her doon sa competition na sinalihan niya. Nakalimutan ko lang talaga yun, but talagang avid fan kami. I was like in high school or maybe late elementary school, no? Nanonood talaga kami doon sa show na yon. And talaga yung Jonalyn Viray na pangalan, yun na talaga yung natatak sa isip ko. So pasensya na talaga. Sheena. Woo! Sheena. As long as Laika, oh. Basic. At napansin ko, si Sheena ba? Pagka hindi siya nagfa-falsetto or nag-head tone, no? Yung buong boses niya, pag binibelt niya, parang medyo andun siya sa yung rock ballad, no? Yung vibe or yung tone quality para sa akin, parang rock ballad, no? Pwede tang kumanta siya ng mga Lady Gaga, mga ganun, no? Mga big voices ba? Ganun yung kasi ang buong buo no? Pero pag nag-hit naman siya ng falsetto, it's very smooth actually. It's quite soft. So, very unique yung combination ng falsetto at saka yung pure voice na yung chest ni Sheena. So, yun yung parang napansin ko ngayon. No? So, wala masyadong high notes dito. So, for today's video, parang lang, relax lang. Sila lahat. I'm getting over. Nice. Okay, eto na tayo. Wait lang. Okay. Kung i-rate natin, I think na I would still go, or I prefer to put my top, I prefer to put Mariel's team or trio on number 1, and then Jonah's team on the second, no? And I think I would put yung all boys sa third, and fourth yung kila Miss Shireen. Okay. So, yeah, I think it was an awesome performance sa segment. Pero yun nga lang, parang nakulangan lang ako sa energy. Yan, I'm just being honest, it was like, wala masyadong yung parang, wow, walang masyadong ganoon ng mga parts sa arrangement. But, it's still refreshing, no? Kasi siguro last time, no, may mga ganon. So the next segment or production naman, wala namang ganon. So I think they're just, binabalance lang nila para hindi siguro umay sa mga manonood. But for me, I just felt like nakulangan ako sa energy doon sa kanilang lahat, sa kanilang song, hindi sa kanilang pagkanta. I mean the song itself, parang nakulangan lang ako doon, no? So yeah, I think that's it, and hope you guys enjoyed that one, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook. Diba sabi ko, sakit kasi ng dila ko. Facebook. Okay, Facebook and on Instagram. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoy that one. Peace. God bless you all.